Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you guys had a wonderful week and I hope you have a very profitable week coming up. So guys, this is the we're on a new week and it's the 1st of December. So yeah, the market doesn't stop, neither should we. So okay, I was looking at gold, right? As you can see, guys, gold has been very bullish. It's been very bullish, and currently we're still in those bullish setup, right? Still in that bullish trend. So what I was looking for yesterday, I thought that gold would sell, just to correct a little bit, just to come and touch, this high right here, just to come and touch that high, come and retest that, and then finally push up. But as you can see, the market didn't really create that correction there, and what I'm hoping for is it creates it right here, right? And from here I will be looking for it to push down, and then finally push up. That's when I'll be looking for opportunities if gold actually does push down to come and test this daily support zone. I mean horizontal line, daily support, horizontal line, and from that I will be looking to actually buy gold. Otherwise, currently I'm not looking for gold. I'm not looking for anything on gold. I don't see any opportunities for buys. I'm only looking for short-term sales on it and eventually buy it. So that is everything on gold. Let's move on to the US oil. As you can see, guys, I thought from this candlestick right here, which was this was this last Friday candlestick, the last candlestick of last week, I thought that it would come and retest this resistance tend to support, retest it, and then finally push up. But as you can see, the market left its whole gap, and the market open was above here, which it continued to push up, but now it seems like we're failing to push up even further to create higher highs. So I'm expecting it to finally push down, and I'll practically be looking for sells around this part, maybe even correct a little bit and then finally push up, creating this head and shoulders that could be actually great for us. Creating this head and shoulders, this one, left shoulder, and then the head, and then finally this right shoulder, right? It may look very, very weird and very, very scattered, but I hope you understand it and you actually saw it. And yeah, that's really it that I have on gold, because I know that gold has been bearish for the longest of time now, so I'm still looking for those bearish movements. Right now, the trade, no, GBP/JPY, as you can see, really wanted it to retest this support and just push up. That's what I was looking for, but actually it did not happen. It actually pushed down, and as you guys know from last week, I had entered buys on this pair, which eventually did hit my take profit, and I was out of them. Wasn't really trading it. Friday, I told you I did not trade on Fridays. That's why I did not open anything on Friday. Now today I was hoping for it to actually have this kind of formation for me to buy it. It didn't, so it's kind of a discard pair now for me, because I really do not want to buy it at this place, even though the trade that I took, I think it was last day I took it from here. So yeah, I really don't want to buy it from this spot, as it's actually been selling. So kind of wait for it and see what it does. Moving on to the one that I'm trading right now. I'm currently in this trade, guys. I do not want to lie to you. I'm currently in this trade, so I'm hoping for it to go and push up. As you guys can see, it has actually not really, it has broken out of the trend, right? And now what I'm waiting for it to do is actually push higher to go and test the daily resistant horizontal line to go and test it. And once it does test that, because that's a resistant, I'll be looking. I'll just wait for it and see what it actually wants to do next. But I'm anticipating it to push up currently. So this is the small trend that we have on the 4 hour, and as you guys can see, we have been creating higher highs, and higher lows on it. So I'm hoping that we are gonna continue with that trend and push up even further and eventually hit my take profit at the top there, and then see what it actually, how it reacts, and how if and how and see if it actually does respect that high up there. So this trade will just basically wait and see for it, basically wait and see what it does, and that's the whole bunch. On this trade, as you guys can see, we had this support right over here. I just ticked it, this support, which is actually a great support. The market came there, this here, and touched it 2 3 times, 1 2 times, and eventually wanted to go down, but it actually didn't make it all the way, and it eventually pushed up, coming right here, forming this small support over here, which is respected every time every time we were above it, we were buying. Every time we were below it, we were selling. So every time we were above it, we were buying. So once we were above it still, and we were at that level, I thought, okay, obviously we'll be looking for buys. And once those buys occurred, I was very happy, and it broke my Asian high, and then it finally pushed up. So now I'm just waiting for it to push up even further to go and hit my take profit. This was basically an easy trade, easy market structure to see, and to formulate a trade, easy opportunity to see. So I'm still excited about what I'm seeing. So I'm just gonna wait for it to push up further, and hopefully it does go and hit my take profit. I don't think there's anything that I did not account for on this trade. Some people might be looking at this and say, okay, but look at this. This is a very, it's a strong resistance, like a touch there, push down. So we just broke in it. So I wouldn't mind if we came back to retest it and then push up even further, just to signify that it is a strong resistance. That's the only thing that I could say that I hadn't account for, but now I have. You might be looking to finally do this and then finally push up. So that's basically it. I think that this trade is well on its way to finally push up, and from the top we'll actually have to wait and see what it is willing to do, or how it will react to that resistance, if it will break and continue to push up, or if it will actually respect it and continue to push down to where I do not know. But also, guys, just remember that the Euro USD is in opposite correlation with the DXY. So if the DXY is selling, just know that the Euro USD is buying. So what I'm hoping for, as you guys can see, also it's kind of the same structure, just in the opposite direction. So I'm hoping that DXY actually continues to sell, so Euro USD continues to buy. And with that being said, guys, I don't know if I will be fully trading for the whole of December, but if I am, guys, I will be releasing the videos. And if you don't see any videos, just know that I'm not trading at all. I'm just spending time with the family, and yeah, that's it, spending time with my family and everyone. So and if it won't be the last time you guys see me, because I'll have to do a video on how this week ended. But yeah, have a great December, guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.